Well, good morning. Alaukik Dev Bhumi, Uttarakhand drives winter tourism growth, reinforcing Uttarakhand's vision of year-round pilgrimage. The winter Char Dham circuit drew fresh national attention following Prime Minister's visit to Mukhwa. So the winter Char Dham circuit in Uttarakhand transforms the classical summer pilgrimage into a year-round spiritual and tourism opportunity. When the main shrines of Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath close for the harshest winter months, their deities are shifted to winter seats or alternate locations, allowing devotees to continue worship. In recent months, the circuit has gained renewed attention following a high-profile visit to Mukhwa. Mukhwa, the winter home of goddess Ganga. So the winter Chardham circuit enables year-round pilgrimage by relocating deities to winter shrines, blending devotion with Himalayan travel. Prime Minister's visit to Mukhwa highlighted winter tourism potential, encouraging infrastructure and promotion. Nearby destinations like Oli, Chakrata, and Bagal, the Dayara Bagyal further enhances spiritual adventure and nature-based experience. Dayara Bagyal, an expensive alpine meadow famed for its winter snowcaps and summer pastures. In winter, its broad, white stretched meadows are ideal for contemplative walks and offer sweeping Himalayan vistas. Then Chakrata, a peaceful hill station known for Devdar forest, waterfalls and easy trekking trails. Chakrata offers quite forested landscape and is a welcome contrast to the busier pilgrimage routes. And the Lakhamandar, the ancient temple complex with the archaeological remains and historic Shiva shrines, adds a cultural and heritage dimension for visitors to test. Visitors interested in the region's early temple architecture and local mythology, that is Lakhamandar. So the on March 6, 2025, Prime Minister visited Mukhaba in the Archal Mukhaba area and offered prayers at the winter seat of Gangotri. So the visit highlighted the significance of winter pilgrimage and underscored a policy push to develop tourism in Uttarakhand beyond the traditional summer months. The Prime Minister's message emphasized that winter should not be treated as an off-season, urging a move toward tourism as a year-round economic and cultural activity. Oli, India's premier skiing destination, Oli provides winter sports, rope-way access and panoramic views of peaks such as Nanda Devi. For pilgrims who also seek adventure tourism, Oli is an attractive addition. Kashi Vishwanath Uttarakashi. The Uttarakashi Vishwanath temple is an important regional shrine and a spiritual stop en route to higher pilgrimage sites. Its presence reinforced the devotional thread of a Char Dham center too. The Nanda Devi National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Nanda Devi offers high altitude wilderness, rare flora and fauna, and a strong conservation legacy. Visiting the park complements the pilgrimage with ecological awareness and nature conservation experience. So the Uttarakhand possesses a natural spiritual strength that sets apart and the devotion, heritage and purity of this Devbhumi give it an identity unmatched anywhere else. The state is entering a phase of remarkable possibilities and with a firm resolve. It can establish itself as one of the world's leading centers of spirituality. Along with this spiritual potential, Uttarakhand is also emerging as a beautiful wedding destination. To benefit from the Wed in India vision, the state can develop select locations equipped with world-class facilities, allowing people from across the country to celebrate their special occasion in the serene and divine environment of Uttarakhand. Thank you very much.